Hi everyone, we want to introduce one of our advanced feature on our eBlot L1 fast wet transfer system. Our unit can run two different protocols at the same time so that you can optimize the runs accordingly. For example, you can run one short protocol while running a longer protocol simultaneously. Okay, so now I'll show you how to set up your device to run two different protocols at the same time. Now you can see that both channels are running the default protocol labeled as transfer. You can access the different methods by pushing and holding down the settings button. The selected channel is highlighted by the black and white arrow on the left side. In this case, you can see it right next to the channel A. As you can see, now we've changed channel A to a new protocol called method 1. And channel A is now running the new shorter protocol, while channel B is still running the standard protocol called transfer. This feature gives you great flexibility to optimize your results.